Hello friends, in this video I'm gonna to show you how to download and install Microsoft Photo application in Windows 10 PC. So friends, to download Microsoft default application, click on Start. Now type Store. Click on Microsoft Store. Click on Search. Now type Photo. Click on Microsoft Photos. In here click on Get. Now you will see you on this app. Click on Install. After installing, click on Install on my device. Now click on File Explorer. Right click on any photo. Click on Open with and select Photos. That's it. So friends, by this easy and very simple method, we can download and install Microsoft Photo Viewer on Windows 10 PC. Thanks for watching this video.